Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn cash by taking part in surveys by using the Wecash application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Wecash app on your device. And if you aren't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your Google account. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now from this page, if you scroll down, you will see the survey partners option. Now based on how many partners are available, you can just tap on any one of this and go through the rules carefully. Then tap on confirm, and after proceeding forward by reading the rules, you will now see the various different surveys that are available. The number of surveys available can differ depending upon your location. So within this page, you will see various different surveys, and you can tap on any one of this to complete the survey. As soon as you complete the survey, the displayed amount of reward will be provided to your account right away. You can complete multiple surveys if you wish, one after the other, to get your rewards. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to earn rewards by taking surveys on the Wecash application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.